Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to the channel of Excel World by Raghav. In today's tutorial, we will learn in how many ways additions can be performed in Excel. This is the first method by using the Alt and is equals to. It will automatically pick up the range for the entire data what you have. And now let's look in the second data. The second method is by using the is equals to sum and open brace, move a step above, select the entire data range and close the brace and then press enter. Now on the third method is by using from the formula tab. From the ribbon, go to the formulas, then click on insert function, and from the available option, if you select sum and then click OK, it will automatically pick the range, then click OK. And now look at the fourth one. The fourth method is again from the insert function tab. That is, again go to the formulas, select auto sum, which is in the sigma style, click auto sum and select the sum and then simply press enter. And now before moving on to the fifth one, I request you to please kindly subscribe the channel Excel World by Raghav for getting the latest updates. This method is widely used by the professionals, which is nothing but the subtotal is equals to subtotal and then press tab and then 9. Here you can see the sum for 9. So once if you click on 9 and give comma, then move a step ahead and then with help of control shift and up arrow you select your database and then close the brace and then press enter. These are the few methods for doing the addition. Thank you. Thanks for your time for watching the video.